Good morning, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk through the 2020-21 SPX Outboard. First thing you're going to notice is it does have the dual axle swing tongue trailer. The boat does have the white on white combo with the blue bimini. This one does also have the new optional stone interior. Very clean boat. Keep all the water spots off. Let's take a quick walk around the boat. You're going to notice this one does have the optional white Mercury 200 horsepower with the stainless steel prop. Does have the ski pylon. Very accessible stairs to get on and off the boat. Very nice entryway. Don't need to step on any cushions. Very large cockpit. This one does have the optional port and starboard flip-up bolster chairs. Lots of seating. This one does also have the digital Simrad electronics built in, flush mounted, fusion stereo. Moving up to the bow. Very large bow seating, 3-4 people. A lot of cushions and stereo speakers. Once again, come on, take a walk through the boat. Get you out on the water, get you something to do with the family. Patrick Rourke, MarineMax Clearwater. Talk to you soon.